Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash back with another valuable video for you. I told you 2019 is all about investments, guys, all about making you money. I want to help you guys as much as I can, right? So I'm on a platform called Nadex right now, right? A lot of you may have heard of Nadex, a lot of you may have not. Nadex is pretty much Wall Street, right? A lot of millionaires are made in the stock market. Tons of millionaires are made in the stock market, guys. I actually love the stock market, and the reason why is because there is no recruiting, right? There's no recruiting at all. You can literally make money by yourself any given time you want to by yourself. Your efforts don't depend on no one else. It just depends on you. So that's why I love the stock market, guys. That's why I think this is something everybody should learn. And once you learn it, you guys will love it. So let me get straight into it. This is a demo account. You can actually go to Nadex and sign up for a demo account. It's absolutely free. That way you can get your practice in. I do it all the time. You come here, and then on your left hand side they have different things that you can trade, right? You can trade like let's go here. If you go to commodities, you can trade things like gold, natural gas, silver, crude oil. If you go to Forex, you can trade currency pairs, right? Like, you know, the Euro USD, the Canadian dollar, things like that. So I'll go here to the 20-minute chart, right? This is, you know, you can make money in 20 minutes, right? If you go to the five-minute chart, you can literally make money in 5 minutes. It's like no BS, right? A lot of people be scared of the stock market. They're like, oh man, I'm scared of the stock. Don't be scared of it, guys. You can make a lot of money. You can also lose a lot of money if you're not smart, but it's all about having a technique and not getting in here and gambling your money away, right? So I usually tell people, don't trade with your real money until you understand how the market works, right? So I'm just going to show you guys the basics. Let's see, I click on the US 500. If these currency pairs are actually up, so we'll see here. I'm not sure if these pairs are up, so let's see. I'm just going to show you how this works. So I'm going to click here on the US Tech 100, right? I'll click here. Now, do you guys see this number here, right? 6174. Do you guys see that? All right, do you see this expire time right here to your left? You have to determine whether the market will go above 6174 or if it will be below. You have to decide that in 8 minutes. And once that 8 minutes expire, if you're right, you get paid. Very simple. So, do you guys see where it says Nadex Index? And this number right here where it says 6170, this number is going to be constantly changing. That's the market moving. So right now, the market is actually below 6174 because it's 6170, right? The market is below. So if it's below, then you would sell because it's below. If it's above, if you think the market will be above 6174 in 7 minutes, then you'll pick buy. So for this instance, I'll pick sell for right now, right? Just showing you guys the basics. Then you come down here to your size. This is your contract size or your lot size. So let's say you just wanted to sell one contract at the market price, $37.50, right? Okay, so if you lose, you lose $62. If you win, you gain $37, right? So you'll click place an order, and then your open position will pop up right here, guys. This is your open position. So if you want, you can watch your profit right here, right now. When it turns green, you're in profit. When it turns red, you're out of profit, right? And it's going to constantly keep changing until the time runs out. The best thing about this is if it starts to turn green, right, like it is now, and it goes up and up in the green, I can actually exit and take whatever profit is there, right? This is what the dope thing is, right? So how you do that, let's say you wanted to take profit right now. Boom. $5, I just click place order, $12, and I'm out. I just won $12. That simple, guys. Just made money. Just made $12 that fast, right? I got my money back that I've traded, and then I won $12 on top of that. That's how fast you can make money, literally, guys. This isn't a get rich quick scheme though. Don't go in here thinking, oh, I'm gonna make millions, because you can and will lose a lot of money if you're not smart, right? Just showing you guys how simple it is to make money in 2019. So I'll also show you guys Forex later on in a different video, but this is binary. So as you guys can see, that was simple. So let's go to another one, guys. I'll actually go to, let me see, I don't know if the US 500 is actually up or running. Some of these are actually getting ready to close, because I think the market is actually getting ready to close, and then they'll reopen at a certain time. So let's see if I can go to any of these. These currency pairs are getting ready to end, so I'll actually wait until this time runs out, and then I'll try to get in on a different trade, right? So this is very, very simple, guys, and I love it, right? And I also want to explain something else to you. So it just started over. Some of these just started over, but no one's trading these. So let me see if I can go to Euro USD and see if anybody's trading any of these. Okay, people are actually trading these. So I'll click on this one. An example. Same example, guys. You see where it says Euro USD 1.1399, right? The only number you need to focus on is the 1399, right? And then over here where it says Nadex index 1398. So that tells you that the market right now is below the 1399 because it's 1398, right? You don't need to focus on this one dot, and you don't need to focus on that one on the end. The only numbers you need to focus on is the 4 numbers that's in the middle on when you're looking at the Nadex index. This number right here won't change at the top, the Euro USD, because this is the number that you need to determine if the market's going to be above or below that. So right now it's below, right? And it's going to continuously change, so you have to watch that. The timer is running out. So right now it's below, so I'll click sell because it is below. Just showing you guys the basics. Let's say I wanted to do 9 contracts at about $20.50. So if I lose 700, right? Just showing you guys an example. Now, in certain situations, I'm not going to be able to explain everything. There's certain situations where some of these trades is not worth it. Like this one, honestly, probably wouldn't be worth it because your loss is like super huge. But some situations it will be worth it, right? So and then you continuously look at the market. You can go up in price. The higher you go up in price, or the higher you go up in your size, the more money you could potentially make. But the more money you could potentially lose. You guys see how that works? So you have to be very smart when it comes to this kind of stuff, right? And so the thing you guys want to look at is that price. It's constantly changing. It's still below because it's at 1398, 1399, right? So you'll just place your order. Okay? The best thing about this is you don't have to wait till the timer runs out, guys. So if you start to get profit over here, you can look at your timer right here. If you start to get profit, all you have to do, see, I'm in profit now. I lost profit, right? I was in profit, I lost profit. But this is not to get your emotions in it. But you're actually supposed to be looking at a chart, guys. Okay, something like this. But I don't have the time to kind of go into this. So you're actually supposed to be looking at a chart, to kind of determine these things. And I'll go over that in future videos. But some people look at charts, some people don't, right? And so the thing is, this is your number right here. You guys remember, 1399, right? And then your index price is still changing over here. So we're still below. So even if the timer runs out and you're in the negative, you still win, guys. Even if, this is what I want you guys to listen to. Even if the market runs out, you're still going to win if it's still below, guys. Right? So even if you're, negative right here on profit and loss, and in 1 minute, right? In 1 minute, you're still below, you will still make the money, guys. That's the best part. So hopefully I didn't confuse you on that. Right? So if you want to wait the entire time, you can do that, but you don't have to. The moment you start seeing profit in the green, you can actually just click on this, click on the pair, and click place order right at the bottom, and I just won $21. That fast, guys. All right? So that's how you do it. That's how you do it, guys. It's that simple. Hopefully I piqued you guys' interest. If you guys want more videos talking about Forex and binary, comment below this video, guys. And I want to help you make as much money. Email me, text me, guys, and let's get you guys paid. Love you guys, and I'll see you later. Peace.